Biocoction Manufacturing Private Limited is manufacturer for premier quality laboratory instruments and furniture, serving all laboratories with complete after-sales support and customized solutions also. They offer premier quality laboratory enclosures, heating and cooling range and all type of basic laboratory instruments for best quality of research outcome to succeed Make in India goal and serve all the lab community by ensuring pre and post sales support throughout the research horizon. Your perception and our solution is slogan to support customer need. Mr. S. R. Dev and Mr. K. N. Acharya has guided them to be able to famous in this domain. They use quality tested components and modern machines. Their products are appreciated for their excellent strength, reliable performance, sturdy construction, durability and low maintenance. Their quality controller team check the product line on various quality tested parameters. Biocoction employees devotedly work towards making clients specific products. They export their products in all over the world. Established in the year 2016, based in Kolkata, West Bengal, it is one of the fastest growing companies in India. India 5000 Best MSME Awards 2020 for quality excellence goes to Biocoction Manufacturing Private Limited.